Another day from now. What?
I'm so scared.
Yeah, you should be scared.
Yeah, tell me what I did wrong.
Your brows, yeah, shut up.
Wait.
What happened to the brows?
Wait,
you know that witch you were watching. To cover. Yeah, my eyes. You cut off my teeth. Yeah, this one is okay. This one is as if it's L. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer, and today I have BC here with me, another collaboration. And today's video we are doing my friends done my makeup, or my friends, whichever way the word goes. But
friend did my makeup.
This is the look, this is the outcome. I like it so far. I don't know what you guys think, but you can leave your comment below. And if you want to see our BC done this beautiful look, because this actually done her face, you know, if you see our face, you know, when she makeup, it's like it's bit face, but like she said, you don't really do other people makeup, so
I don't do other people's makeup. I don't do attempt at all.
So yeah, for first, I'm telling you, like you said, effort is spot on, because some people, they do makeup, but they don't do other people's face, but they don't know what to use. Guys, if you want to see how BC beat my face, keep on watching.
Have you moisturized your face?
I have moisturized my face, but you can add primer at this point if you want to. Just do your face as you see if you're doing your makeup. Face. What step do you go through?
Okay. I'm not good at trying to ask for people, so I'll try.
I can't wait.
What do you use for your brow?
Oh yeah, I use this pomade.
Oh, this is the brow pop. You should not be watching me, bro.
Okay.
Not be watching.
I'm trusting the process anyway.
Make you look like masquerade.
So you do brows first?
Yes. I know you do foundation first, isn't it?
But it just all depends on my mood. Mostly if I'm in a rush, yes, I'll do foundation first, or if I want a quick look. But if I want to take my time, then I'll do my eyebrows first.
What concealer do you use to like shape your brows? And like,
this concealer I use, you can use, what's that one? Yeah, I use that concealer. Can you use that one, or you want this one? Why are you laughing? I can't see my brows.
I don't know what I've done.
You're laughing.
Because I want to do your brows.
Because I'm drinking.
What sort of client are you? Really? Really? Put your something on.
Man, I can see the concealer. I actually look like I'm trusting the process, okay? I believe in you.
But you said I should do mine, didn't it?
Huh?
I should do it like I'm doing mine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'll move on to my eyebrow. So do you
eyebrow what?
Eyeshadow.
This eye primer, if you do eye primer. This is eyeshadows.
I usually use mine. What's this for?
It's for picking, it's also for blending, like picking more pigments. So it's like a tapered brush, so you use it for the crease. It's not a flat brush.
Open your eyes, please.
So I'm pretty torn between the General's House chicken and the chicken homemade. No way. Are you a little picky? Yeah. How are you? Are you actually a little picky? It's like a rat,
Yeah,
right?
like yeah.
Just wondering about that. Everyone says that. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Dude, everybody else in hip hop is so much cooler than me.
Your cunt is so annoying. You like they can't keep still. Stop squeezing your eyes.
What's that?
I'm not gonna walk into your face. I'm just playing with your face.
I don't want to look at my face.
Look at it. And cost me. Did you break this painting?
Did it break?
Oh no.
Why are you scaring me?
I'm asking. I was asking.
How would I know if I break it? You know me, I'm cautious with my teeth.
Use your foundation.
No. It's my foundation.
This
You are
one.
the matcha.
I'm
Match
not
my
matching,
face.
no. Oh no.
Do the style you do. I've not concealed before foundation.
No, I don't consider for foundation. This is your foundation.
Yeah.
What do you use to apply your foundation? Put your head back the way you were before.
I think I'm gonna see what you're doing, woman. I put my head back because I need to see recording.
Look at me, my thing is undone in the camera. How this thing?
Oh, I'm pretty. Yet? Am I pretty yet?
You know this foundation is not dark for you.
By the time you use concealer, it's blend.
Okay.
This was the closest to my other two.
They say me I'm getting light.
I refuse to believe. I've not observed it.
Is this the concealer to use?
And the new one. You can use these two.
Mix it together.
Yeah. Should I look up?
Why are you laughing though?
Because I'm blinking.
Is your thing that's making me laugh? Your brows.
Is that really bad?
No, but it's just two different shapes, isn't it?
And the shape is very obvious.
Stop laughing.
You know, eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. But if it's very obvious that they are not related, they're not related.
No, it's not that obvious. It's not that obvious. Maybe it's the same. Maybe it's just me.
I've not seen it yet. Can't wait for this finished look. Because it's wet, so.
Smile. Oh, this one you have hair everywhere.
movies. That's why I want to. Oh, my side babe. When our movie comes back here. What next? Blush.
I don't do blush. I want
What
to
do you
dust off your face.
I can watch this video.
There's your powder.
Moving away. Whatever the word. That's it. I'm not watching video now. I'm watching video.
Video to what?
This video. I'm so excited. I
Look
play
up.
the music. Yeah, my hands. You can talk my teeth.
You shouldn't be singing. You and your clients, there's no difference. That way it doesn't crack. Let me see.
So you don't put blush on your face?
I
Do you
don't
put
like
highlight?
Yeah, of course I put highlight.
You don't have blush or you don't like putting blush?
I don't like blush.
Oh, okay. Hey, I can't wait to see my face. Ooh, I didn't begin to have my eyeliner. We can use mascara.
Why are you blinking?
I'm trying to assist you.
Yeah. Okay, eye. Open. Oh my god, you're blinking. I'm trying to do your
Okay.
inside eye. You smudge your makeup. Leave it.
Is that?
Open. You destroy your eye.
Have I? Why are you scaring me now?
But it's like full marks down your face.
Like pressure because that is like a contour powder, honestly.
Which one?
The one. Okay, you can spoil it by putting fake. So spray there. Ooh, she wanted a hot carrot. Ooh.
Open your mouth. I finished. Why you spray your face? You think that you take off soon.
Okay. Review. Come and sit.
Oh my god.
I have no idea. Reveal. Another day from now. What?
I'm so scared.
Yeah, you should be scared. Yeah, you know.
I should be scared. Okay, let me do you. Ta-da!
Even the mirror.
Yeah, tell me what I did wrong. Your brows, your eyeshadow. Wait.
It's not the brows.
The eyeshadow, isn't it?
Is this one the eyeshadow? What happened to the brows?
Wait,
you know that witch you were watching.
Take over. I tried.
It's as if they came out from television.
I can only do my own makeup, but at least I tried.
Oh yeah. You done a very great job as first time doing someone's makeup. I like the color you choose. Nice. You tried to give me both eyebrows.
No, I tried with the brows, not that bad.
Yeah, you did well. You did. Oh,
The odd is not twins, and they're not close to each other.
let me see the inner one.
Yeah, you were laughing. I tried.
Well, guys, this is work and it's okay. Let me see the foundation if it blends well.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did.
Perfect.
Yes,
My hair has pressed. Oh, you were pressing the hair.
I finished the hair too.
Okay. I will give you for effort, for the process, for the steps you took. You done well. So I will give you. Let me be fair. 7.5.
Okay.
7.5 for all those things. For the other things, the reason why it's not 10 is because obviously I wasn't expecting a perfect brows, but it's okay. But maybe like this one is short. This one is. Let me stop laughing. Okay, and the black you put it there, but you didn't blend it. So you would have blended or the Fenty highlight. I don't know whether it's spoil it.
Oh. When you're shiny.
Shiny. Yeah. This one is okay. This one is as if it's L. You just put L. And you don't put the full stop in the middle.
That's how I like my nose. I put it
First up. Yeah. So anyway, well done. Thank you very much. And also for a long while, never long. I think my sister is the second person to ever do my makeup. Or that was like my start on my makeup. So this one now, you're the third person, and you are my friend doing my makeup. So thank you. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to slap a like on it. Don't forget to thumbs up. Leave your comment below. Don't follow us on our social media. I'm going to leave it right down in the description box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. And until then, I'm going to see you on my next video. So bye.
Bye.